Hello there, and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to back up your entire PC onto an external drive. Start by going to the search bar of your PC, type in Control Panel, and click on it. Next, click on Backup and Restore, Windows 7, under System and Security. This will work on every Windows version. After that, go to Setup Backup. Now select the external drive you would like to save the backup on and choose Next. In this pop-up, you can choose if you want to back up your entire PC and create a system image which can be used to restore your PC when it stops working, or just choose which files you would like to back up. Choose one and click on Next once more. Finally, you get an overview of the location and the files you want to back up. Under Schedule, you can schedule daily backups that will be made automatically if the external drive is connected to your PC and your PC is turned on. When everything is set how you want it to be, click on Save Settings and Run Backup to start the backup. After loading for a while, depending on how much you had to back up, your backup will be done. If you ever lost some or all of the files you backed up for any reason, just plug in your external drive and click on Restore My Files. All of the files and programs you had at the moment of the backup will be reinstalled. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.